Welcome to Review Rumble. The best toilet flange repair kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a functional and odor-free bathroom, and today we're diving deep into what makes a particular kit stand out from the rest, ensuring your toilet remains stable, leak-free, and secure for years to come, saving you from potential water damage and embarrassing plumbing issues. Number 5. Danco 10672X Flange Repair Kit. Are you dealing with a cracked, broken, or rusted toilet flange? This repair kit is designed to fix almost all common flange issues, saving you from a costly replacement. Installation is a breeze with just 3 simple steps. Prepare by adding a wax ring, set it on the old flange, and then secure the repair piece over it with the included bolts. Whether you have wood or concrete floors, this repair kit has you covered. Use the outer holes for wood and the inner holes for concrete, securing it firmly with the provided screws. Designed for universal compatibility, it fits most standard toilets. The pre-measured studs are factory set, so you won't need to worry about cutting them. Once your toilet is in place, the integrated flexible gasket creates a tight seal around the toilet horn. This ensures a complete and leak-free connection. What we like. This repair kit is designed to fix nearly all damaged toilet flanges, making it a versatile choice. It offers 2 securement options for different floor types. If you have a cracked or rusted flange and need a straightforward solution that works on both wood and concrete floors, this is a great option. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for a broken toilet flange. It was easy to install and saved me a lot of money on plumbing repairs. The repair kit worked perfectly to fix a cracked flange. The instructions were clear and the parts were high quality. Number 4. MENNTY Toilet Flange with Wax Ring Replacement Kit. This kit is designed to fit both 3-inch and 4-inch waistlines, making it perfect for new installations or repairs. It simplifies fixing leaky or wobbly toilets and cracked flanges. You can easily install this repair kit yourself, even without a plumber. It can be repositioned if needed, ensuring a perfect seal without damage. It creates an airtight, deodorant, and waterproof seal. This effectively tackles unpleasant odors and prevents leaks, ensuring a clean bathroom. This package includes everything you need: a durable toilet flange, a thick wax ring, bolts, washers, retainers, nuts, and bolt caps for a full replacement. We are committed to providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Choose us for a hassle-free experience with your toilet repair. What we like. This kit is perfect for both new installations and repairs on common pipe sizes. It ensures a strong seal to prevent leaks and odors. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that includes a wax ring and is forgiving during installation, allowing for adjustments without damaging the seal, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver. It was easy to install and fixed my leaking toilet perfectly. I was impressed with the quality of the materials in this kit. It felt very sturdy and durable. The instructions were clear and concise, making the repair process straightforward even for a beginner. Number 3. Toilet Flange Repair Kit with Wax Ring. Are you dealing with toilet leaks or unpleasant odors? This kit is designed to repair rusted toilet flanges and create a secure, waterproof seal. It's perfect for both new installations and replacing old wax rings. A damaged or old wax ring can lead to sewer odors, backflow, or even sewage leaks. If your toilet is shaking or smells strange, it's time for a replacement to keep your bathroom fresh and clean. You don't need to be a plumber to install this. It's designed for easy, one-step application without any special tools. You can easily solve common toilet problems and prevent leaks all by yourself. This kit includes everything you need for a reliable seal. It features a thin wax ring with excellent deodorization and viscosity, ensuring an airtight and waterproof connection. It fits both 3-inch and 4-inch waistlines. We provide all the necessary mounting hardware, including bolts, washers, retainers, nuts, and bolt caps. This ensures a proper fit and secure installation for your toilet seat. Our product comes in eco-friendly packaging that is easy to recycle. We are committed to providing a pleasant experience and a reliable solution for your toilet repair needs. What we like. This repair kit is ideal for addressing issues like sewer odor, leaks, or flange damage in older toilets, or for new installations. It provides a reliable seal and is designed for a simple, tool-free installation. If you're experiencing common toilet problems and want a quick, easy fix without needing special tools, this product is a strong contender. What people say. The flange is made of heavy-duty plastic and feels very sturdy. It was easy to install and fit perfectly with my existing toilet. The kit included all the necessary hardware for a complete repair. Number 2. PASCO 21013 Toilet Flange Repair Metal Quick Ring. Are you dealing with a broken toilet flange or closet ring? This durable metal repair ring is the perfect solution to fix it quickly and easily. Crafted with robust metal components, this solid ring is built to last. It provides a reliable replacement for any damaged or broken flange. Installation is a breeze. Simply fit it around the body of your existing flange. It's designed to be a straightforward DIY project for most homeowners. This repair ring is designed for a universal fit, making it compatible with most standard toilet installations. Say goodbye to frustrating leaks and wobbly toilets. Get the job done right with the PASCO 21013. It's the quick and effective way to restore your toilet stability and functionality. What we like. This option features robust metal components for long-lasting repairs. It's specifically designed to replace broken closet rings. If durability is your top priority and you're looking for a simple, metal-based solution to replace a damaged flange ring, this product offers a sturdy and straightforward repair. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver. It was so easy to install and fixed my leaky toilet perfectly. No more wobbling or water on the floor. I was impressed with the quality of the materials. The flange is made of sturdy plastic and the bolts are strong. It feels like it will last for years. The instructions were clear and concise. I was able to complete the repair in under an hour, even though I'm not very handy. Number 1. The Clam Flange Toilet Repair Ring. Tired of dealing with toilet flange issues? We have the perfect solution for you. It's designed to make repairs simple and effective. This innovative repair ring features a convenient two-piece design. It allows for quick and straightforward installation, saving you time and hassle. Crafted for durability, this ring ensures a long-lasting fix for your toilet flange. You can trust it to provide a secure and stable connection. It effectively addresses common problems associated with worn or damaged toilet flanges. Get your bathroom back in working order with ease. Choose the smart choice for toilet flange repairs. This product offers a reliable and efficient way to maintain your plumbing system. What we like. This repair ring offers a unique two-piece design for toilet flange repairs. If you're looking for a specific type of repair component that utilizes a two-piece system to address flange issues, this product provides that specialized solution. What people say. This is a great product that works as advertised. The kit was easy to install and fit perfectly. I was able to repair my toilet flange with this kit and it saved me a lot of money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.